Hi everyone, welcome back. Steven here. Today we are talking about the JOYLYJOME men's two-piece suit. This is a vest and dress pants set, which has a variety of colors and sizes available. It's a really nice value, so I want to show you what you get. It arrives in a pretty simple bag. The fabric is made of 79% polyester, 21% rayon. The suit vest is comfortable, breathable, soft, and it has durable pins that will make it last longer. You get a nice vest with a built-in faux pocket square sewn in behind. It still feels like it has the ability to open up that pocket, but otherwise looks great, adds a little nice aesthetic touch to the vest. The pants are an adjustable waist size, so they have a 2 to 3 inch adjustment, and that makes them both comfortable when you're sitting down, but also should make you worry a little bit less about ordering the size that you want to order. They do provide a size guide so you can get an idea of what size you may need, and these do run pretty true to size. The back of the vest also has the adjustment strap, and as I mentioned, you have the nice adjustable elastic on the waistband of the pants, and man, much more comfortable to sit in than your standard dress pants. Overall, I think this is a really significant value from JOYLYJOME and is really worth checking out. As always, I appreciate you for tuning into my videos. Please don't forget to hit that like button. Thanks. Bye.